Post of Lincolnshire. We're delighted to bring you this Vauxhall Vivaro L1H1 1.5 TD 120 PS 6-speed manual, which is the Prime Edition. And this one has the added benefit of a driver assistance pack, which is about £1,000 worth of factory options, which include the forward collision alert, the speed limit recognition, advanced emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, driver attention alert, auto lights and wipers, electrically adjustable heated door mirrors with the blind spot detection, front and rear park sensors, and steering wheel mounted controls. I think that's about it. I'm just going to walk you down the driver's side of the vehicle first. A lovely quartz grey metallic. Take it to the rear of the vehicle. It's on a full 3 miles. Okay, we come to the rear as we mentioned, rear park sensors. Okay, just taking the all important work area. The all important dimensions. It's just under 99 inches from the base of the bulkhead to the rear end, and your height there is about 55 inches loading height. Okay, we'll just walk away around to the other side and just show you why that flex cargo panel is open. Just take you to the near side. These twin side loading doors and all the new Vivaros. You see there, I've got the outer passenger seat up already in preparation, and this panel down just to show you for your long load, your long pipe and your conduit. It's a good word. Go through there. Okay, into the near side. As I mentioned, this seat up already, which is a 3-seater. Okay, now I'll just walk away around to the driver's side. Now just take you into the cabin itself. I'll just show you some of the goodies. Okay, we'll work our way across, as we mentioned. Electric door mirrors there, electric windows. See the trim, it is brand new. 2 keys to the vehicle. Steering wheel mounted controls we mentioned. You can see there your speed limit recognition. Yeah, full 3 miles. Okay, let's work our way across. It's all aircon, selective door locking. Now I've got my phone plugged in here already. Just show you some of the apps you can put on there. So obviously you can go into Sat Nav, Google Maps there, with our name on there. Go back to the main menu, put all your apps, all your TalkSport. What more do you want? Okay, and back to the main menu, which is DAB radio as well. As you probably mentioned, 6-speed manual gearbox. Okay. Warranty runs to 100,000 miles or 29th of September 2026. We do offer nationwide delivery. If you'd like to know more, you can ring myself, Tom, in the sales team on 01507 602222, or visit our website www.tomstursmith.co.uk. Thanks again for viewing.